Hey guys, it's Cameron Loves Inflatables 9191. Yesterday was a very windy day, and it's actually still windy today. As you guys can see, the snowman is not on because his base fan flipped over yesterday, and he blew over around there. So yeah, we got him secured. We're gonna take him down today, put him in the box, and they'll be safe. And that goes for the Christmas tree and the gingerbread man. We got most of the display down, but we just got these decorations to go. And then these lights right here, these Christmas lights. So I'm gonna cut till it gets very windy so you guys can see how windy it actually is.